do? You see, before an earthquake, you have to reduce your threats. You have to bolt down heavy stuff and all the really large things in your home, put them on the bottom shelf. You should know where to turn off your water and your electricity, and also how to turn off the gas. During an earthquake, you should know this. It's called drop, cover, hold on. Take cover under a sturdy desk, a table, or even under your bed. Protect your head and your face. Move away from the walls. Move away from the windows. Move away from the glass. Move away from the mirrors.
When you're outside.
What? If you're outside? Oh, that's easy. All you have to do is move away from all the poles and the trees and the telephone lines. And after the earthquake, be prepared. There might be aftershocks. Turn on your battery-powered radio. And guess what? If you see someone injured, do not move them unless they're in danger of getting more injured. So, when the earth starts to quake, say it with me, drop,
Shut!
cover, hold on.